Let's learn about a real-world division problem. A company has 9,240 brochures to distribute equally among 15 sales representatives. How many brochures will each representative receive, and how many brochures will be left over? So we want to divide here 9,240 by 15. So let's do some long division here. 15, those sales representatives are breaking up this 9,240, right? Number of brochures, and anything that's left over that's not equally our remainder will be how much is left over. So 15 goes into 92, that's going to be 6 times, because 6 times 15 is a 90. Subtract the 2, 92 minus 90 is a 2. We can then bring down the 4. Now, how many times does 15 go into 24? That's going to be 1 time. 1 times 15 is 15. Subtract them. 24 minus a 15, that's going to be a 9. Bring down the 0. And 15 goes into 90 6 times. 6 times 15 is a 90. Subtract the 2, we get a 0. And that's our remainder. So our answer is 616, remainder 0. What does it mean in the context of this problem here? Well, each representative will receive this 616 brochures, and there'll be 0 brochures left over. I hope you learned something here about the real-world division problem here. And as always, thanks for watching.